Good medical morning. In India, roadside barbers are plentiful. Sidewalk chefs preside over vats of hot oil to fry sweet and savory pastries. But today, we're going to talk about a more controversial topic: street dentists. I'm Watson, and you're watching World's Greatest Medical. Let's take a look at some of India's street dentists. In this video, we'll look at highlights and extractions from one of India's oldest professions. While you watch these clips, consider picking up a 3-pack of teeth whitening pens. We'll have more info about them at the end of the video. I use them and they work great. One little known fact is that the street dentist, which particularly caters to the poor, is becoming a lost art. With more and more educated dentists in India, there's less and less of a need for this unique position. What do you think, folks? Is there a place for street dentists who can do extractions and cleaning for the poor? Or is this a position that's best left to the professionals? Leave your comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you can check out all of our new videos. Now let's take a look at those teeth whitening pens. Hey folks, if you want to whiten your teeth but want something convenient, gentle, and doesn't cost an arm and a leg, then check out these whitening pens. They make a perfect gift. We'll put an Amazon link in the description below.